everyone. So today is August 1, not August, September 1. August has ended. So I want to start September monthly challenge. This is Daily LeetCode challenge and let's do it. Convert 1D array into 2D array. Okay. So original is 1, 2, 3, 4 and m is equal to 2 and it's equal to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I will be given this one and I need to construct it into 2 times 2, right? And this 1 times 3. This one 1 times 1. That is the question. 1D array and we are task creating m rows and n columns. The elements from 0 to n minus 1 inclusive of original should form the first row of the second elements from return m times n 2D array constructed according to the above procedure, or m to 2D array if it is impossible. Okay, if it is impossible then I will. So how can I do that? I will be given one dimensional array. I think it is not so hard, right? Suppose if it is 2 times 2, then it will be, I will have 2 rows and 2 columns. So my first row it will contain 1 and 2 obviously, and then second row it will contain 3 and 4. So since there will be just 2 columns, so I can just fill my first array, right? I can just create one array and then just fill up to 2 columns and then create another array, then create 2, 3, not 3, 4, and at last add everything into one array and then return it. Although sometimes, suppose if it was 4, 5, 6, okay, then I could not have constructed this, right? 5, 6. Could I construct this array? Because I need to use all elements. So if this was the case, then I could not have done that, right? So I think first of all, I can just multiply 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So it means that the size should be exactly 4. If the size is not equal, then I can just return it immediately. So if m times n, if it is not equal to original that length, then it means that I cannot form that one. So forming a two-dimensional array, it just means that I have to create an array and just place into one array, you know. So if it is not equal, then I just need to return empty array, right? For example, here 1 times 1 is 1 and this is not equal, so I will just return empty immediately. But if not, then I will just create an array. This will be my result array where I can just add the end, and this will be my rows. Let rows is equal to result is equal to and rows is equal to empty. So like I said, I would just go constant current, what variable should I constant to original, and I just need to know the column. So I equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. So suppose if n equals 2 to 2, then it will 0 and 1. Okay, so it will be like so one song is playing on my head and it is distracting me. So I is equal to 0, so this one is for one row. Okay, and I can just say that okay, this is new row. I have to add it in the new row. New row I will be equal to, actually this should be j because this is a column. So new row j will be equal to whatever it is, c. Okay, and once this is done, we will add new row into the result. And then continue. जो है मेरा तुझ पे अर्पण. But if we do this, then for j is equal to 0, j is less than n, j plus plus new row j is equal to c. In this case, c also should increment, you know. So what I can do is जो है मेरा तुझ पे अर्पण, j plus c actually. I plus plus and current will be equal to original j plus I. Okay, okay. So this is first row. I will be always equal to j plus I. So in the beginning I will be 0, and then should be equal to I plus plus actually. In the beginning it will be 0, and I'll also increase at last return result. I think this should work. So here we are we are just adding one row from 0 to j, 0 to n, because n is number of column, and since m times n it will be equal to original that length, so it will just add that many rows here. What does it mean? Lexical declaration, what does that mean? Line number 41. Okay. Completion is trick one day. See you tomorrow. Okay, sure.